Have you ever wondered how UPI is shaping our economy and putting India on the global map of digital payments? Stick around because by the end of this video you will know all the crucial facts like what exactly is UPI and how did it start, how has UPI grown over the years, why is UPI crucial for India's economy and many more. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more such topics and do not forget to check out my blog for more in-depth articles. The link is in the description below. So let's get started. UPI or Unified Payment Interface is a system that allows multiple bank accounts to be accessed through a single mobile application. But who came up with this idea? It was launched by the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) in 2016. Why was it created? To simplify digital transactions and make them as easy as sending a text message. Speaking of simplicity, do you know how much UPI has grown since its inception? Let's find out. Since 2016, UPI has seen phenomenal growth. Did you know that by the end of 2022, the total transaction value of UPI was a whopping Indian national rupees 125.95 trillion. That's almost 86% of India's GDP for that year. Fast forward to 2023 and UPI hit a total transaction volume of 83.75 billion. This remarkable growth has been driven by a compound annual growth rate CAGR of 147% from 2017-18 to 2022-23. With such massive growth, why is UPI so crucial for India's economy? Let's dive into that next. UPI has revolutionized digital payments in India, accounting for 73.17% of all non-cash retail payment transactions in 2022-23. But how does it impact you? By reducing reliance on cash and making transactions faster and more secure, UPI has brought financial inclusion to millions. It's particularly beneficial for small businesses and rural areas, enabling easier and more transparent transactions. But every system has its challenges, right? What hurdles does UPI face and how are they being tackled? Before we move forward to the next section, I want to ask you, if you are liking this video, then please hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it. Let's move on to the next point. UPI's rise hasn't been without obstacles. Who faces these challenges? Primarily banks and users. Issues include transaction limits, security concerns, and the need for greater infrastructure to handle increasing volumes. How are these being addressed? NPCI is working on enhancing security measures and customer support, while banks are upgrading their systems to ensure smooth operations. Now, here is something exciting. How is UPI making its mark globally? UPI is not just an Indian success story, it's going global. Why is it being adopted by other countries? Its interoperability, cost effectiveness, and robust security make it an attractive option for international transactions. Countries like France, UAE, and Singapore are already integrating UPI into their payment systems, enhancing cross-border remittances and boosting their digital economies. With UPI going global, how does it compare with other digital payment systems around the world? UPI's seamless interoperability and zero-cost transactions set it apart from other digital payment systems like PayPal, Alipay, and WeChat Pay. While those systems are popular in their respective regions, UPI's open architecture and government backing provide a competitive edge in terms of scalability and adoption. But what's next? What future innovations can we expect in the UPI ecosystem? The future looks bright for UPI with several innovations on the horizon. How will this shape our daily lives? Upcoming features include UPI Lite for offline payments, voice activated transactions, and the integration of the digital rupee. These advancements will make transactions even more accessible and convenient, driving further adoption. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the rise of UPI and its impact on our daily lives? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback motivates me to make more videos for you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video. You can also check out the videos on the screen if you have enjoyed this one.